Hi guys, this is the Galaxy M04 and I'll show you the how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So open notification panel and just to change here the positions of the icons or just to remove some of them or to add another options to our panel, we should click to this plus or to these three dots on the right upper corner, tap to edit buttons, and we will see here this options up section with invisible options, and just to add them to our panel we should just hold the option and drag it to our this down section. To remove some of the options from here, we should just hold the icon and drag it to the up. To change the positions of the icons, we should just hold the icon and just drag it by this way. Just to save the changes, click here to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.